Dr. Vartika Saxena, you have been at AIIMS Rishikesh since its establishment. How has climate change and natural calamities in Uttarakhand impacted the health and well-being of vulnerable populations? What preventive measures would you suggest to reduce the impact of climate change in terms of preventing infectious diseases?
First of all, I would like to say Namaskar from Uttarakhand, and really very happy to be part of this August gathering and this panel. And I really thank NDTV for having me here with you all. The question which you have asked, Bhumi, that is very pertinent for Uttarakhand, because if you want to understand the impact of climate change, you must understand the topography of Uttarakhand. Uttarakhand has 1.2 crores of population, which is there in 13 districts. And these 13 districts are actually divided in 3 zones of the state. We have foothill region, we have mid-Himalayan region, we have upper Himalayan region. The problems, the climate impact, the cultural milieu, and the vulnerability of population in the foothill region is very, very different what we have in the mid and upper Himalayan region. So the impact is different. And when we want to prevent these situations, we have to act accordingly. For example, in the foothill region, which is Haridwar and Dehradun and Nainital, we have problems of flooding because of the excessive rains. And when flooding is there, mosquito breeding places are there, and that leads to dengue, malaria, that kind of diseases are there. And if we have the scarcity of water, then waterborne diseases like diarrhea, dysentery, they happen. But in the upper and mid-Himalayan region, because the climate is cold and the climate impact is different, in those areas we have more flash floods, we have landslides, and this is a earthquake prone zone. So the issues are different. And in the upper and mid Himalayan region, because road connectivity is poor and we do not have enough health infrastructure, or you can say limited health infrastructure, people don't have the accessibility to receive health if any calamity happens. And one more very important point about Uttarakhand Himalayan region is that we have postcard economy. Postcard economy is that in most of the household, the younger population, younger family members, they are living in the other states. They work there, they send money back to their families. So mainly the elderly people are living in the mid and upper Himalayan region. So if calamity happens, they get stuck. Nobody is there to support them. And that becomes a very huge challenge for the government to tackle. Another issue which Uttarakhand is facing, you must be hearing many news, is the trauma and accidents because of the excessive climate event that makes our roads prone to accidents. So that is the issue. Another very important problem is because of the frequent calamities, mental issues are cropping up. Post-traumatic stress disorder is one major problem. Anxiety, depression, that is becoming more and more common. And because we have the lack of psychiatrists, that is again putting its toll on the people. So these are the major issues there.
Yeah.
Thank you so much, Dr. Vartika.